Hello folks, a very warm welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about the difference between compiler and interpreter. Well, both the compiler and interpreter has the same work, but have different functioning. A compiler converts the whole code into the object code which is not understandable by the computer. After that it finally converts the code into machine code which performs the functions. Whereas an interpreter converts the whole code line by line directly into the machine code for processing, without the object code. So now what is the difference? Here is the complete table of difference between the compiler and the interpreter. Have a look, you will get to know everything. I think you must have got everything. Most of the languages like Java and C uses the compiler, whereas Python and JavaScript uses the interpreter. In this video we discussed about the difference between the compiler and interpreter. In the next video we will make our first program, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel for the updates. Thanks for watching.